All of them in Igbo language is ha, ha, nile. All of them in Igbo language is ha, nile. Most of them in Igbo language is o, to, ọtụtụ n'ime ha. Most of them in Igbo language is ọtụtụ n'ime ha. Half of them in Igbo language is ọ kara, ọ kara n'ime, ọ kara n'ime ha. Half of them in Igbo language is ọ kara n'ime ha. Some of them in Igbo language is ụfọdụ, ụfọdụ n'ime ha. Some of them in Igbo language is ụfọdụ n'ime ha. None of them in Igbo language is ọ dịghị nke ọ bụla, ọ dịghị nke ọ bụla n'ime ha. Ọ dịghị nke ọ bụla n'ime ha. None of them. This is Learn Igbo with Chikezie. Please follow for more. Please follow for more. Thank you.